Hi, I'm Emily Makis, and this is Exam 1 Articulatory Apparatus and Consonants. Part 1 Apparatus. Number 1, describe the human apparatus and points of articulation. In this diagram, we can observe the oral cavity and the nasal cavity. The pink part is the tongue, upper and lower lips, upper and lower teeth, and just behind your upper teeth is the alveolar ridge. In the roof of the oral cavity is the hard palate in the front, and in the back is the soft palate or velum, and the uvula is just hands freely in the back of your oral cavity, and this is the pharynx and the larynx. In the larynx is the vocal cords, and the space between the vocal cords is the glottis. What are the points of articulation? First, bilabial sound is when both lips come together, for example, boo or poo. Next up is labiodental sound, which occurs when the upper teeth and lower lip come together, for example, f or v, like very or fun. Next up is interdental sound, is when the tip of the tongue touches between upper and lower teeth. For example, the th sound, the two th sound on voice or voice sound, like the or thick. Number 4 is alveolar sound, is when the tongue is at the near of the alveolar ridge, for example, t or d. Next is palatal sound, is produced at the hard palate. It's in the front of the roof of the oral cavity. The sound ch and z, and the words show or beige. And the next up is velar sound, is in the soft palate in the back of the roof of the oral cavity, and is when the tongue touches the soft palate. And the words is like kite or goo, like go. And finally, the glottal sounds is when the glottis is in the glottis is the space between the vocal cords. For example, the sound H, like help, or the catch in the voice is like a short pause, like Batman. Question number 2. Explain the consonant and the three features used to describe any consonant. Okay, consonants can be voiced or unvoiced. A difference to the vowels, that the vowels are all voice. Consonants are speech sounds that involve some constriction of airflow. The three features to describe any consonants are voicing, place of articulation, and manner of articulation. Voicing is the phonation. The phonation can be voice or unvoiced. The place of articulation is where the constriction of airflow takes place, is when two articulators come together. And the manner of articulation is how the airflow is constricted in the vocal tract. Question number 3. Explain the phoneme and how it is represented. The phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in a word, and it is represented with the specific symbols and between slashes. For example, here in the word cat, the word cat has 3 letters and 3 phonemes, and the word phone has 5 letters and 3 phonemes. Part 2. Write and orally explain representation of phonemes and letters. Question number 1. Provide the phonemes that represent the bold underlined letters in 5 of the following words. The first word is elbow. The V sound in elbow is represented by the phoneme V. The second word is constant. The C sound in constant is represented by the phoneme K. Measure. The S sound in measure is represented by the phoneme J. Jump. The J sound is represented by the phoneme J. And domino, the D sound is represented by the phoneme D. Question number 2. Write the letters the phonemes represent and an example. The phoneme J is represented by the letter SH and the word is shoe. The phoneme Sh is represented by the letter S and the word is television. The phoneme Ch is represented by the letter CH and the word is cheese. The phoneme T is represented by the letter TH is voice and the word is think. The phoneme D is represented by the letter TH and the word is this and is voice. Question number 3. Describe each phoneme. What is the difference between the two and each set, and give an example of a word with these sounds for each. The F is an unvoiced, labiodental, and fricative. The V is voice, labiodental, fricative, and the words are fish and berry. The difference between F and V is that F is unvoiced and V is voice. Fricative refers to the friction of air, and the air passes through the oral cavity. The P is an unvoiced bilabial stop, and the V is voiced bilabial stop. The stop refers to the complete constriction of airflow before its release. The words are pen and book, and the difference is that P is unvoiced and V is voice. The T sound is an unvoiced interdental fricative, and the D sound is voiced interdental fricative. The words are thick and then, and the difference is that thick is unvoiced and then is a voice. That's the difference. Continuing with question number 3. The T sound is an unvoiced alveolar stop. The D sound is a voiced alveolar stop. The words are tiger and dog, and the difference between D and T is that T is unvoiced and D is voice. You can feel the vibration of the vocal cords. The second set is the S sound and Z sound. The S sound is an unvoiced alveolar fricative, and the Z sound is voiced alveolar fricative. The words are six and zoo, and the difference is that the Z sound is a voice and the S sound is unvoiced. Question number 4. Give 4 different examples of each type of consonant cluster. A consonant cluster is when two consonants are together or clasped. This word is special because crisps has 2 consonants at the beginning of the word and 3 consonants at the end. And here is clean, 2 consonants, street, 2 consonants, and black, 2 consonants at the beginning of the word. At the beginning of the word with 3 consonants, examples are spring, spry, strong, and scream. These are examples of clusters, consonant clusters at the end of the word. 2 consonant clusters at the end of the word is transcript. Another example is best, left, and lunch. With 3 consonants at the end of the word is wasps and crisps. Crisps is the same word that have 2 consonants at the beginning of the word. Sixth and plant. With 4 consonants at the end of the word are burst attempts, twelfths, and scalps. Thanks.